In this video, I will show you how to find your seed phrase on Phantom Wallet. So if you want to find your recovery seed phrase, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, go ahead and go to your home tab and then click on this arrow down at the top left under account, under your initials, and then go ahead and select the settings icon at the top right. And from here, you need to scroll down and there you will find security and privacy. So we're going to click on this, and then at the bottom above reset app, we will find this option to show recovery phrase. So once we click on this, we can see that we can show the recovery phrase from 2 accounts in my case, because I have 2 linked. But if you only have 1 or even more, then this works the same. So you're just going to click on this in here, and now it will ask you to check this box down below to be sure that you are keeping your recovery phrase secret. So once I click on continue, my recovery phrase will become visible. So I'm not going to do that for this video, but if you want to see it, then you just need to click on continue and then you will find there your seed phrase. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.